I would like to show you some more tricks in the auto-scaling and auto-stacking feature. It is easier to understand this lesson when you've already checked out the basic video about these features. In the previous video we created a trend that looks like this. Now we would like to combine two groups of sensors, those above and those below 40 centimeters below the surface. Open the Trend Options dialog. Select the sensors above 40 centimeters. You can see that the auto-scaling shows Group 1. This is okay so far. Now select those sensors below 40 centimeters. They also show Group 1. Change this setting to Group 2 and click on OK. You can see that the lines above 40 centimeters and below 40 centimeters are now in two groups. For each group, the min and the max of the lines in this group is calculated and used as the group's minimum and maximum. For example, Group 1 has 50 to 70 volume percent and Group 2 has 48 to 60 volume percent. You can create as many groups as you wish, and the group numbers don't need to be in any order. The second trick that I would like to show you is how to auto-stack with overlapping. The auto-stacking feature stacks the trend lines above each other so they are no longer overlapping. But in some cases, partial overlapping may be desired, especially when there is not too much space available. So open the Trend Options dialog again. Select all the sensors from the list and enter an overlapping factor of 50%. Then click on Automatically Stack and then on OK. You can see that the scales are now overlapping by 50%. Finally, there is another possibly interesting trick with the auto-stacking. Open the Trend Options dialog again. Select the sensors above 40 centimeters and enter a low value of 40 and an overlapping factor of 80%. Click on Auto Stack. Then select the sensors below 40 centimeters and enter a high value of 30 and an overlapping factor of 80%. Then click on Auto Stack. Finally click on OK. The trend now is somehow split into two parts. The values above 40 centimeters share a scale in the upper percent of the trend, while the values below 40 centimeters have their own scale and use the lower 40% of the trend. You can easily use this feature for a lot of other trend types, not only for soil moisture.